Okay, so in this video, we'll be talking about how to solve systems of linear equations with two variables using Cramer's rule. So we will go ahead and solve this using a set of matrices. So first, we want to start off with a matrix that has these coefficients inside of it. So we're going to make a matrix, let's just name it M for now, and then we're just going to do the determinant is equal to 3 and -4. And at the bottom of 3, we're going to have 5 because that is x, and y is -7, so we have -7. And here what we want to do is go ahead and multiply -7 and 3 together, where we get -21. And next we do the same thing, but instead we're going to multiply -4 and 5 together, where we get minus -20, and we will get -21 plus 20, and that leaves us with -1. So that is what we are going to get for m, and we'll go ahead and find out what x is. So first we want to write down our answer column. So we're just going to write answer for answer column is equal to 6 and 3, which is our solutions that we want. So now we want to replace, if we want to find x, we want to replace a with this column here. And we will go ahead and write M, or matrix of x, is equal to 6, 3, -4, and -7. And then with that, we'll go ahead and do the same thing we did for our first matrix. So we have -7 times 6, which is going to be -42. And 3 times -4 is going to be -12. And that will give us -42 plus 12, which is equal to 30, or -30 to be exact. Now, what we want to do is find our y, where we will get matrix of y is equal to 3, 5, and we're just going to replace our answer column with the y, and by doing so, we will get 6 and 3, where we just multiply 3 and 3, where we get 9, and 5 times 6, where we get -30. And with that, we get -21. And to find what our x and y values are, we want to go ahead and set x is equal to mx divided by md, and the same thing for y, where we get m of y divided by m of d. And using that, we'll go ahead and write out our x solution, where we will get -30 divided by -1, which is equal to +30. And for y, we will get it is equal to -21 divided by -1, which is equal to 21. So we want to go ahead and verify that solution. So we have x and y already, and we want to see if those are our right solutions. So we will go ahead and test them out on our original equations now to see if they verify our equation. And let's see what is our first equation going to give us. So we have 3 times 30 minus 4 times 21, where we get 90 minus 84. which is indeed 6. And we will go ahead and do our second equation where we have 5 times 30 minus 7 times 21, which is 150, minus 147, which is indeed 3. So we see that our solutions we got from Cramer's rule actually does work, and it satisfies our two systems of equations. And we'll go ahead and look at another example to see how we can get the solutions using the same method and the same process. So we'll go ahead and look at x plus 2y is equal to 7 and 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. So we'll go ahead and write our first matrix, which is 1, 2, 3, and negative 5. We just go ahead and do the same thing we did. We have negative 5 times 1, which is negative 5, and 3 times 2, which is positive 6, so it's going to be minus 6, and we get it is equal to negative 11. And now we have to write our answer column down, where we have 7 and 4. Now let's go ahead and find x. We're placing the x values with our answer column, where we will get 7, 4, and now our y values, which is 2 and negative 5. Now we have negative 5 times 7, which is negative 35. 4 times 2 is 8, where we get negative 43. So we'll go ahead and find what y is by replacing our y values, or yeah, our y values with our answer column, where we will get 1, 3, and 7, 4. And now we will go ahead and do the same thing, multiply 4 and 1. That gives us 4, and 3 times 7 is 21, where we get negative 17. And we want to go ahead and find x now, so we'll just find x, which is equal to negative 43 divided by negative 11, where our minus signs will cancel out, and our y value is equal to negative 17 divided by 11, which is just 17 divided by 11, because we have a negative sign on 17 and negative 11. So it will give us x is equal to 43 divided by 11. And with that, we get, let's go ahead and erase this first. So I'll just write our answers up here. And let's erase these ones now. So we will have to test our solutions on our equation. So we have x plus 2 times y, which is 17 over 11. Let me just fix that, it's looking sideways. So we have 43 divided by 11 plus 34 divided by 11, where we have 77 divided by 11 is equal to 7. So that goes on and satisfies our first equation. We could check mark that now. And we'll test our third solution, our solutions on our second equation. So we have 43 divided by 11 minus 5 times 17 divided by 11. So we have 129 divided by 11 minus 5095 divided by 11. So now, no, that's 85, excuse me, 85 divided by 11, where we will get 44 divided by 11, which is equal to 4. So that satisfies our second equation, and we use Cramer's rule to solve and get the solutions to our system of equations. So thank you for watching and have a good day.